¿Qué onda, cabrones? It's Levi with Mexican Fluency, where I help my fellow Spanish learners crack the Mexican code. As you might know, this is an intermediate to sometimes advanced Spanish channel, but if you're more in that beginner range, make sure to check out my other channel, the Spanish Whiteboard. I just started up here in 2025, so if you're interested, head over and check it out. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and colorful words in Mexican Spanish, cabrón. You've probably heard it in movies or songs or while hanging out with native Spanish speakers. Let's break it down. Oh, and make sure to stick around till the end. I'll recap the meanings of all of these different expressions back at my home office on my whiteboard. First, some quick history. Cabrón originally meant male goat. Yep, a goat. But over time, it evolved into a slang term with a bunch of different meanings depending on how you use it and, most importantly, your tone and the context. In modern Mexican Spanish, cabrón is often used as an insult. For example, if someone does something shady, you might say, ese güey es un cabrón, which means that guy's a jerk, or even a bastard. Definitely not something you want to say to your boss or your girlfriend or your wife's dad in that sort of way. But here's where the fun comes in. Cabrón can also be a compliment. It does something, if someone does something impressive like winning a tough game or solving a big problem, you might say, eres un cabrón, which means you're a badass. Same word, but now it's used as admiration instead of an insult. And then there's the friendly use of cabrón. It's like saying dude. So if you're greeting your buddy, you might say, ¿Qué onda, cabrón? What's up, dude? What's up, man? It's casual, informal, and super Mexican. Now, if life's being tough, you might hear someone say, está cabrón. This means it's rough or it sucks. It's like venting without going overboard. La vida está cabrón, güey. Está cabrón. Quick caution, this is slang. All these are slang, so it's super informal. In the wrong context or with someone you don't know, it can sound very aggressive or offensive. Always read the vibe of the conversation, and like I say, listen to a ton of Spanish before trying to use these expressions. And finally, you will hear the expression, ay cabrón. Ay cabrón is a way to show surprise. It's like, oh, whoa, oh man, oh damn, ay cabrón. Amigos, real quick, before wrapping up this video on cabrón, I wanted to do a quick recap back in my office here on my whiteboard, okay? I'm gonna start doing this with these style of videos to just give you a little bit of recap, so hopefully it sticks a little bit more easily. So the first use of cabrón, remember, is an insult. ¿Qué cabrón eres, güey? Él es un pinche cabrón. He is a effing cabrón, okay? It's bad, it's like a bastard or a prick, right? So it's used in the same way. Compliment. Que cabrón eres, güey. After just doing something good. Que cabrón. You know, what a badass. Good job. Okay. Casual greeting, number 3. Que onda, cabrón? Que onda, cabrón? Like, what's up? What's up, dude? What's up, man? Que onda, cabrón? Hace mucho sin verte. It's been a long time since I've seen you. Expression of frustration. La vida está cabrón. Que cabrón. You know, it's rough, right? It sucks. Number 5, general surprise or amazement. Ay, cabrón. I was thinking the other day that my wife's dad, Rennie's dad, says, ay, cabrón, all the time. He's like, oh, wow. Oh, damn. Ay, cabrón. So here you have it, guys. Insult, compliment, casual greeting, expression of frustration, general surprise, or amazement. So that is Cabrón explained. Let's take it back outside and we'll wrap up the video. So there you have it. Whether it's used as an insult, a compliment, or just as dude, Cabrón is one of those words that makes Mexican Spanish so dynamic and fun and often a little bit confusing. If you like this video, follow me on all socials at Mexican Fluency. Check out the Mexican Fluency podcast as well. And if you're serious about learning Mexican Spanish, head to MexicanFluency.com today. I've got intermediate to advanced level courses as well as some good beginner stuff that will help you level up your Spanish in no time. Bueno, eso es todo. Nos vemos, cabrones.